Tired of that AI logo subtly taking over your favorite photos? Let's get it gone. Today, we're demystifying how to professionally remove unwanted logos, specifically that Gemini mark from your cherished images, leaving them looking pristine and untouched. First, we need to select the logo itself. Most editing software offers selection tools like the lasso tool, magnetic lasso, or even the quick selection tool. Carefully trace the outline of the Gemini logo. The goal here is precision to avoid selecting too much or too little of the surrounding image. Once selected, we'll move on to the Magic Content-Aware Fill, or its equivalent in Photoshop. This is often found under Edit. Then Content-Aware Fill for free alternatives like GIMP. You'll use the Clone Stamp tool or Healing tool. The idea is to sample pixels from a clean area of the photo and use them to seamlessly replace the logo. With the Content-Aware Fill applied, or by carefully cloning and healing, the logo should vanish. You'll then want to zoom in closely to check for any imperfections. If any areas look a bit smudged or don't quite match, don't worry. Use a smaller brush size with the Healing brush or Clone Stamp tool to gently blend those edges. This subtle refinement is key to a professional, unnoticeable removal. And there you have it, a clean, professional-looking photo, free from any AI branding. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the right tools combined with a gentle touch will ensure your images shine. Happy editing!